A very good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to English Grammar online class. I hope you all are safe and fine at home. Students, this is the video for class 4th English Grammar lesson number 7. In the previous class also we have studied about the term gender. In this class we will recall this topic and we will solve the exercises. So let us start today's class. In this video, we will recall the term gender and the kinds of gender. After that, we will solve the exercises. And at the end, you will get home assignment. In the previous class, we discussed about gender and the kinds of gender. So students, do you remember how many kinds of gender we studied? Yes, we have studied about 4 kinds of gender. Which one? Yes, masculine, feminine, neuter, and common. Do you remember what is a masculine gender? So let's recall once again. See students, a noun that is a name of any male person or male animal is said to be of the masculine gender. Like bull, like boy, man, uncle. These are the example of masculine gender because they are the names of male person. Then second kind is feminine gender. See, a noun that is the name of any female person or female animal is said to be of the feminine gender. Like girl, aunt, cow, women. They are the examples of feminine gender because they are the names of female. Then next kind is neuter gender. A noun that is the name of a lifeless object is said to be of the neuter gender. For example, paper, mobile, file, magazine. These are the example of neuter gender because they are lifeless objects. Then at the end, the fourth kind is common gender. See, a noun that is the name of a person or an animal that may be either male or female is said to be of the common gender, like sibling, like parents, pig, children, elders. They are the examples of common gender because they can be used for both males and females. So we have studied about these 4 kinds of gender. So now tell me, how many kinds we have studied? Yes, just now we have studied about, we have recalled this topic, masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. Now tell me, which gender belongs to lifeless objects? Yes, this is neuter gender. And which gender is used for both male and females? Yes, this is common gender. And for the male members, we have masculine gender. And for the female members, we have feminine gender. So we have 4 genders: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. Now, let us come to exercises. Open page number 40. We'll start with exercise A. Write the gender of each of the following words. See, Here in this exercise, what we have to do, you have to write the gender of each noun. Okay, write the gender. So you don't need to write the opposite gender. You have to write only gender, means the kind of gender. Is it neuter, is it common, is it masculine or feminine? Like this you have to write. Okay, so first is already given, pencil. Pencil is neuter gender, it is lifeless object. Knife. Knife is lifeless object, so it will be also neuter. You can write your answer. Knees. Knees, female member, so it is feminine. Stick. Stick is lifeless object, so this is neuter gender. Eve, the name of female, feminine, it's feminine. Drake. Drake is a male member, so it is masculine. Cock. Cock is male member, so it is masculine. File, neuter, lifeless object. Mare, feminine, female member. Tree, neuter. Bitch, feminine. Then we have cattle. Cattle is common word, so it's a common gender. Then fowl, common. Mobile, neuter. Sheep, common. Dictionary, neuter. So, feminine. Magazine, neuter. Bottle, neuter. And bull, masculine. Now, note down the answers in your book. You can fill the answers in the book. Like pencil is neuter, knife is neuter, knees feminine, stick neuter, Eve feminine, Drake masculine, cock masculine, like this. Note down the answers. Write full spelling. Write neatly. Take care of the writing. Take care of the spelling. You can fill the answers in the book. These are the answers of exercise A. I hope you have noted down now. So shall we move forward to the exercise B? Now exercise B. Fill in the blanks with masculine or feminine nouns. That means here you have to write the opposite gender of these words. Okay? You have to write the opposite gender of these words. In the exercise A, we have written the gender. Kinds of gender we have written like this. In this exercise, we have written the kind. We have written the kind like it is neuter, feminine, common and what. Okay, we have not written the opposite gender. When in exercise B, we will write the opposite gender. Okay. So, you can see uncle, aunt. In this exercise, in the book page number 40, you have a crossword. So, you can fill accordingly. Like uncle, aunt, man, women, stallion, mare, order, authoress, cock, hen, ram, Eve, master, mistress, drake, duck, gentleman, lady, wizard, witch. war, saw, landlord, landlady, nephew, niece, monk, nun. In the book, you can fill the answers where the blank is given now. Write that opposite gender. So fill the answers carefully. If you want to fill the answers in the crossword, you can fill in the crossword also. Write in neat and clean handwriting. Check the spellings. Write neatly. You can fill the answers in the book. Remember again that in exercise B, we are writing the opposite gender of these words. Okay, we are not writing the kind of kinds like in exercise A. So this is little bit confusing question. Write the gender means you have to write the kind of gender. Opposite gender, write the opposite gender means you have to write the opposite gender of masculine or feminine like that. Fill the answers carefully. I think you have filled the answers now. Now it's a time for home assignment. In the homework, what you have to do? Just write two examples of each gender. Like 2 examples of masculine, 2 examples of feminine, 2 examples of common and 2 of neuter. So this is your home assignment. This is your homework. Write two examples of each gender. So students, that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.